Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. If you're thinking, whoa, she looks amazing, check out that makeup look. I wish I could look like her, because everyone's definitely thinking that right now. Just kidding. Anyways, this makeup look is inspired by prom, and I've created a tutorial showing you how I created this look. So if you are interested in that video, I'll link it up here somewhere now, and I'll also link it down in the description as it was my latest video. But enough about the past, let's talk about the present and what we're doing today and now in this hour. I've worn this makeup for some time now and it's in the evening. So it's 9:30 now and I'm getting ready for bed. So I wanted to show you my evening skincare routine. And I thought this is the perfect look to do it on as it's full coverage. And I really want to show you the best ways of getting off your makeup and what skincare you should do afterwards to look after your skin after wearing makeup for a long day. Because it can be quite tiring for your skin, and I do recommend rest days in between. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that thumbs up. It really does mean a lot to me. Let's try to get to 20 likes on this video. It would be great. It's a massive push for me, but let's try it. Come support me. And while you're doing that, you might as well hit the subscribe button. It's like right down there, like right next to it, the little red one. Yeah, come join the family for some makeup and beauty fun. Anyway, that's enough rambling. Let's get into the video. So before we get on with my nighttime skincare routine, let's tie my hair up and get into some pajamas. Now with my hair up and my pajamas on, it's time for a pamper session. So first, let's remove this makeup. First, the lashes. Just going to place them to one side and then I'll clean them off later. To remove my makeup today, I'm going to be using the Superdrug Cleansing Balm. So what this is a balm, you rub it between your fingers, it turns into an oil, rub it on your face and it will break down your makeup. There are quite a few on the market at the moment, but I feel like some of them are such a rip-off and it's hard to find good value cleansing balms in the UK. Like in a store that, like in Superdrug, there's just like not many available. But this is a new one which Superdrug have come out with and it's part of their new skincare range. B by Superdrug, it's like B dot. Well anyway, I've picked up some on my hand. See, not even that much. Then we rub it in between the fingers. And then we rub it into the face. And as you can see, it melts your makeup away. So I didn't pick up enough, obviously, for this face. Just a bit more. And just work it into your skin and it just breaks down the makeup so easily and it's not irritating for the skin at all. Just now it's broken down, I'm just going to use a damp cloth. This is a microfiber one for your face. I think I got it from like Revolution. It's really soft. You shouldn't use anything rough on your skin. And I'm just going to slowly and not harshly rub it away. And as you can see, it's really taking that makeup off very well. And that's the first step done. I'm going to double cleanse. So what I mean by this, using like 2 cleansers. So the cleansing balm is the first step. And now I'm going to go in with the CeraVe hydrating cleanser. So the reason for double cleansing is because in your first wash you're not going to get all that makeup, all that dirt off. You can also use 2 different types of cleansers which battle like different things, and it's just really good for your skin just to get all that dirt and gunk off, keeping those pores nice and clean and small. So first I'm just going to damp my face. I'm just going to take 1 pump in my hand and I'm just going to rub it into the skin. So with cleansers, you've got to give it time. You can't just say, oh, I've put it on, now I'll take it off. You've got to give it time to do its job, to clean your skin, to do any of the actions that it says it's going to do. So you've got to leave it on for a minute. The reason I use this cleanser is because I have extremely sensitive skin and it's quite drying, and the hyaluronic acid just nourishes my skin and it doesn't have any harsh chemicals in which like burns my skin. You may see when I wipe it away my skin will be a little bit red, and that is due to the slight irritation of products or me rubbing up my skin. So you've got to be really gentle with it, especially the skin on your face. Like, it's super soft and sensitive. So now that the cleanser has been on for over a minute, let's wash it off. Now I'm just going to pat my face dry just with this little cloth here. This is what I have handy. And because it's pamper night, let's go in with a face mask. I don't always do this and like for my quick routines, but I wanted to show you my bougie nighttime routine. So I'm gonna go in with one of the Lush masks. Honestly, I love a lot of them. The oat mask is really good after wearing makeup all day, but today I'm going in with a beauty sleep mask. So this has like lavender and honey, things to make you go sleepy. If you've ever seen like that night sleep spray you spray on your pillow. It just smells amazing, and as you can see I've used a lot of it. It also like it's really nourishing for the skin after like a long day. It doesn't like dry out your skin, it's just perfect. So apply it to your face, a nice generous amount but not too much. You may think you can't really see a layer of mask, but it is there. Now we leave that for 10 minutes and let it do its magic, relieve me from stress, make me calm and sleepy, and then we will take it off together. The thing about mask and clay mask, this isn't a clay mask, but you shouldn't let the mask dry out, because once the mask dry out, it will actually start sucking out the moisture from your skin, and you don't want that. So you've got to leave it on for 10 minutes to let it do its thing, but then once it dries out, the products in the mask stop working and starts drying out your skin. So you've got to make sure you catch it just at that time. So I'm going to leave this on for 10 minutes. It has been 10 minutes and it's now time to take off this face mask. Using a damp cloth, I'm just going to slowly wipe away without pulling at the skin. It's felt so good to have this mask on after a long day. It smells so good. It makes my skin feel so smooth as well. Now that I've removed the mask, let's then pat the face dry again. The next step for me today is toner. This is a brightening toner from Superdrug, the same brand or the same line as the cleansing balm. I've used this for a while now. It's really good. It does what it says. It exfoliates the skin without being harsh. Like, it's for all skin types. It's really good. So most toners that I see on the market is like for oily skin types, and having dry and sensitive skin, it just doesn't really work for me. But at the same time, I have that feeling, I'm like, my skin feels so rubbish. I need to like take a layer off, you know, without doing anything harsh to my skin. And this is what that product is there for. I only use this about once a week, as I do have quite sensitive skin and dry skin. And if I use it more than once or twice a week, then my skin does get quite irritated. But I've taken the cap off, got a cotton pad. I'm just going to apply or get some of the product onto that cotton pad. I've got some of that product on the cotton pad. I'm just going to wipe it around the skin. This toner has to be applied to dry skin. You can tell that it's working as soon as you apply it to your skin, but at the same time it's really cooling and it doesn't like sting or anything. So now that's done, I let that sit for a bit and let it dry down, and then we go on to our last few steps of my night care routine. My nighttime skincare routine. There you go. Now that's all dried down and settled, I now move on to my next exfoliant product, and this is a sugar scrub. This is the cookie dough flavored one from Lush. So this is a lip scrub. It really helps get rid of the dead skin on the lips and make them more juicy and plump, and the product tastes delicious and it is edible, so don't worry. You just take it and rub it onto your lips like I'm doing. But now they're scrubbed, you can wipe away or lick away the excess. Now we're done with cleaning and exfoliating the skin, let's get on with some moisturizer. So first I'm going to go in with this hyaluronic acid serum. So hyaluronic acid really does help lock in the moisture to your skin and make it just feel rejuvenated. It's really great, and when you apply it in your nighttime routine, you can allow it time to do its thing. I like saying that, don't I? Said it a lot, but it's true. You gotta give time to your products, or otherwise If it doesn't have time, then it's unable to do anything. And that was super simple and super quick. Anyone can do that. And this one, if I didn't mention, this is actually from the Revolution skincare line. It's quite a small line at the moment, I believe, but it's really good. Next, I'm going to go in with the CeraVe eye cream. This one is to help reduce my dark circles and tighten the skin around my eyes, and just nourishing the thin, sensitive skin under my eyes. So I take a pea-sized amount, put it on each finger, and then rub it into the under eye area. And if I have any excess, I bring it up on top and on that eyelid. Next, I'm going in with another moisturizer. This is the Vitamin E moisturizer from the Body Shop. This is for dry skin, and it's really good to put on during your night routine. It's quite a heavy moisturizer, and it really works wonders for the skin. So really simple, pick some up and then just rub it into your skin like so. It's a great moisturizer. It's like, it feels like a sleeping mask when you put a Genesis amount on. It just works really well, and it's got a great scent. It's like a rose and it smells really fresh. So for any nighttime routine, it's better to have like a thicker moisturizer, because you like sleep in it, you're not putting anything on top. It works really well. But then like for the daytime, you want something a bit lighter if you're going to wear some makeup over the top of it, or otherwise your makeup could be really cakey. And we're on to the last step, guys, and that is a lip mask. This one is the XX Revolution Repairing Lip Mask. It's really good, really simple. Nice and pink, favourite colour. As you see from the pyjamas and the wall, just pretty much everything. So I pick some up and apply it directly to the lips. I do slightly go around my lips, and that's just to make sure I've got that lip line covered. As with age, you actually lose the definition of your lips, so looking after your lips will keep your lips more defined for longer. And that is the end of my nighttime skincare routine. I really hope you enjoyed it or found some ideas what you can put in your own routine. Hope you found some tips and tricks that you can put in your routine. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this video. Comment below if you want to see my morning skincare routine. As always, I'll list the products that I used in the description if you want to go use them. Please do. One thing I want to mention, these are my opinions. I'm not forcing them on you. It's just how I feel. Anyway, thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. I hope you have a good evening or a great day, or whenever you're watching it. Just enjoy your life. And I'll see you next Tuesday at 6. Bye, guys.